Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I made this pretty, very easy to make. And I also made this one. In our materials, I have two colors of 11O seed beads, brown pearls, and they are 6mm, bicones, and they are 4mm, earring hooks, my beading needle number 11, and this is the thread I'm going to use. So let's begin. First, I pick up 4 11O gold and 4 pearls, and I put it alternate. Then exit. Then pick up 3 gold, 1 bicone, and 3 gold. Then I'll pick up 6 gold, 11O gold, then pass through 6, so it's 3, 6, then pick up 1, then pick up another 3 gold, 1 bicone, and 3 gold. Then pick up 6 gold, 11O gold, then pass through 6, 3, and exit to the 6th. then pick up 1, so I'm going to continue adding 2 more here and here. So this is the 4th one, so I'll pick up 1, then pass through 4 beads, so 3, and exit to the 4th, pick up 4 for peach color, so from the center I'm going to count 1, 2, and I'm going to pass through here. Then pick up 3 gold. Then pass through 4 beads. 3, and exit to the 4th. Then pick up another 4 peach color, 11 of peach, 4. So this is the center, 1, 2, pass through the 3rd one. Then pick up another 3 gold, then pass through 4, 3, and exit to the 4th. So I'm going to continue adding 4 peach color here, and 3 gold here and here. So pick up 3 gold, going to exit, then pick up 5 peach color, then pass through the middle 2, then pick up another 5 peach color, then pass through, then pick up another 5 peach, then pass through the 2 in the middle, then pick up another 5 peach, then pass through. So I'm going to continue adding 5 here, and here. This is my last 5 peach 11O. Then pick up 2 gold, exit, then pick up 2 gold, And I'm going to continue adding 2 gold here and here. My last 2 gold. Then exit. Then I'll pick up bicone, gold, 11-0, bicone, gold, bicone, 11-0, and bicone. Then pass through. Then pick up another 5 gold. Guys, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And for those who already joined, thank you so much. So I'm going to just pass through some of the beads, make some couple of knots, and then I'll cut the thread. It's done. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, everyone, and happy beading.